Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I want to give you this quick week update to align you. Now, this is where we've 4 ended. If I quickly zoom to, this is Euro USD, Euro dollar on daily time frame. So this is where wave 4 ended. So from so far, we've had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we are in wave 5. So it has broken up and we are seeing this reaction now. So we want to see what this reaction could connote. For now, we are done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the wave 1, and this is wave 2. And we believe that we are in wave 3. Are we done with wave 3? So are we going for wave 4? So we are going to see all that, the possibility of we going for wave 4. If it's wave 4 should probably terminate around this area. And we have one more leg to the upside to finish with 5. If that is what we're going to get. With 1, 2, 3 may have ended here. And 4 also may have ended here. So one more leg that will take us up to finish with 5. We'll see what we get, but that's on the daily time frame. But a couple of possibilities are probably possible here. So let's have a look at it now on the 4-hour time frame. So with 1, with 2, now with 3. So if we are doing with 4, this may have completed with 4 or not, or that we want to correct the entire run. So price, what the price can do is to correct the entire run here to about 618 from here to here. Price may still want to break down, but I'm not saying that until we probably break some structure. So for now, we have this first leg to the downside, the second leg, which is B, and at this point, I think it's around almost 88, and so 100 extension to the downside. This looks like a regular flat here, or you can easily even pass it for a zigzag because of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nature of this. It's like a 5 waves. Then this one is 3, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, and this is 1, 2, 3. So this one looks incomplete. Probably we are going to have a reaction around without breaking this area. If we come to the downside, then we have the 50 leg to the downside, without breaking 13,500. So if we have the 50 leg to the downside on the euro dollar, then we'll see the way and manner we react. So I still expect, if I bring out my drawing, okay, let me go to the lower time frame for you. Let's go to 1 hour. I want you to see very well. So this is 1 hour. So this is the first one, A, B, C, and it can probably go bigger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 here. Then this is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4th wave, if it's the 4th wave, I expect that around this area, price will react without breaking 1.15280. So a breakout of here, our shallow buy, we have to put the stop loss around this area. Why? Because I might not really have the time to, once we break here, all the shallow ones that we just picked, not the 0.02 that we picked, was it late last week? Yes, late last week. I gave us another 0.02 around this area. So if price reacts, I expect it to come down, pick that, and go back up. So if we break this, as this one is going through, break this to the upside, then the shallow one that we picked last weekend, we have to put the stop loss around this area at this low. So we watch price to go. If the price now breaks this area, so the important areas that you expect to see changes is number one here. If price breaks 1.15280, it means that price is going up without doing the 50 leg. But if the price now breaks this area of primary 2, which is 1.15812 to the upside, it means they are done correcting to the downside. They are not coming down again. So these are area of definition to define that we are back up. Once we break this area up, we are going back up. But for now, one leg is still possible to complete this. It may break below here, or it may be truncated around this area. I still expect it to draw us in, which is the second 0.02 that I gave. And if we come more than to the downside, if it's possible, we could have the 0.05 drawn in. Whatever it is, we may close 0.05 or not based on what I see. But for now, this still has to complete its 5 waves nature, maybe around this area, some more downside or break up and continue to go. So that's how to align us. So now let's quickly flip to USD JPY. USD JPY will be ready when these ones are ready. So, and that's why I don't want to touch that entry yet, because it's a lot of stuff that they do. Here, we need USD JPY to break below this well to the downside to signal that they are ready to come down. Otherwise, the price may still come up around this area, touch this area or this area of our entry before they begin to, push the price down. Otherwise, this may just be A, B, C, a running flat, and the price may push further. But I expect that this blue line here will play a vital role in trying to force the price back to the downside. So it looks bearish. And this is what price does. Price is not perfect at times. When you are thinking of a triangle 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, that you think it will not break here. It may break it. It doesn't really matter. But now you can see the wedge also forming in this area, which means it's a loss of momentum. It's not going up sharp. It's, you can be connecting this and this. This is kind of, deviating more towards the downside. So it indicates loss of momentum. And just like you had here, when you begin to see more or less sideways movement like you had here, a deviation price will just fall. So we may have one more break to the upside before the price begin to nosedive. If you miss the entry, we'll look for entry once we have a confirmation. If price should break here, and that's the confirmation, we should now look for a retracement to sell instead of just putting your whatever in too much of a negative. Now, on euro yen, now we have euro yen running. Euro yen. Now, with what we are seeing here, price is dragging to the downside. Yeah, I'd counted like here, between here, that we are to come to the downside. But the way is sluggishly falling to the downward, we may still go up one more time to break the top. So just know that we may be in for that. But if we should break this area, if we break 165,780 to the downside, then price is going to the downside. So, but for now, let's see. Nothing. We can't add another position until this take is. If this place is taken to the downside, then at the retracement we'll add another entry. But for now, the way manner it's going, I can't see sharp reaction. They might just be correcting a 4th wave in respect to this as one, 2, 3, 4, one more up, and they come down. So that is possible. I don't know if you are saying that. Let me make you see that. I think it's you can see it. If I zoom, let me use the daily time frame. Yeah, the daily time frame. The daily time frame. So now we have this is the first wave, and wave B is about ending. Then we have a list wave C, and it's going to be a rocket to the downside. So in these late stages of this WXY, because it has formed a WXY usually does not, usually it's around 100 extension that it does before it falls. I think we have hit 100 extension, but at times they could go 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 7. So we're about the area. So now within this frame now, the last one giving us an A, B, C to the upside. Like I've said that this is like an A, B, C, or B, and price is going up. So this last one now, last leg is what we are focusing on. The last leg here, that's started from here. This is A of the last leg of Y to the upside. Then A, B, C. So the B of that Y leg to the upside, and this is the C of the leg Y, the leg to the upside. So in that C, it has to be 5 waves. So we have 1, 2, so 3, it could be 4th wave. Then we go up one more time to come down. So that's I think it's all clear now. So going to the 4-hour time frame. So like I said, this is 1, 2, then this may be just 3, 4, and 5 to break down. So this is the area you are going to look at that I talked about. Once we break 165.78 to the downside, then we have confirmed that we are coming to the downside. So the last one now is gold. For those trading gold, gold looks bullish. Gold looks bullish. So for now, we've been seeing that it looks like this is completed. It's a single pullback and it's completed. So price at the break of this area, price needs to break above and sit 4-hour candle across 34, or let's say 34.04. So once we see the body of candle across 34.04, closing across 34.04, then we are going up again. So so far it's a bullish move, but secret move that is, happening in that area for now. So with that, I've come to the end of the update. Bye.